Question 6. Figure 1 shows three yachts A, B and C which are assumed to be in the same horizontal plane. Yacht B is 500 meters due north of yacht A and yacht C is 700 meters from A. The bearing of C from A is 15 degrees. Calculate the distance between yacht B and yacht C in meters to three significant figures. So we're trying to find the length BC. We have two sides and we have the angle in between them. So what we need is cosine rule. Let's have a reminder of cosine rule. Cosine rule says that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cos A. So it gives you the square of one side using the other two sides and the angle in between them. So we can say BC squared is equal to 500 squared plus 700 squared minus 2 times 500 times 700 times the cosine of 15 degrees. Right, let's put that in the calculator. 500 squared plus 700 squared minus 2 times 500 times 700 times cos 15. And this calculator makes you put the angle in before you hit the cosine button. And that comes to B squared is 63,851.9. 63,851.9. So BC is the square root of that. So I just want the square root of that number there, and it's 252.69. And we're asked to give it to three significant figures, so BC is equal to 253 meters. Moving on to the second part of the question. The bearing of yacht C from yacht B is theta degrees as shown in figure 1. Calculate the value of theta. Well, theta is outside the triangle, so what we'll do is we'll mark that angle alpha. We'll find alpha and then we'll get theta by just subtracting alpha from 180 degrees. Now I have a choice here. I could either use the sine rule to find alpha or the cosine rule. I'll use the cosine rule. And the cosine rule to find angle B in the triangle ABC is cos B is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared divided by 2AC. So we have cos B is equal to, side opposite A is 252.69, so it's that one squared, plus the side opposite C is 500 squared, minus 700 squared, the one opposite B, divided by 2 times A, which is 252.69, multiplied by C, which is 500. So now we can say that cos B is equal to, need the calculator, 252.69 squared plus 500 squared minus 700 squared equals, divided by, open bracket, 2 times 252.69 times 500. So that's minus 0.6971 minus 0.6971. So we can now find the angle B, which we've called alpha. So alpha, which is the same as B, is equal to cos the minus 1 of that. So cos the minus 1 gives 134.2 degrees to one decimal place, 134.2 degrees. So theta we can see is 180 minus alpha, which is 180 take away 134.2 to give a final answer of 45.8 degrees. And that completes question 6.